you?
Puffs.
What do you have? That's all for Hayden. Book?
Oh, book. Do you like books?
Oh, it's a kitty.
Now look at him reading. Open up, book. Yeah.
Yeah. What else? Oh. Another ball. Oh. Come look what else is inside there. Oh boy.
Ball. You get a kiss to the ball. He likes it.
Okay. What else is inside your basket? Look. What else?
Goldfish.
Cookies.
Yay.
Cookies. And a ball. What else? Oh.
What else?
Another ball. What else? Candy. Hayden, what else is in your basket? Come look. Hey, come look. What else is in your basket? Where's the cars?
Petey, no. Oh, look at that ball. What else is in your basket? Look, I see a truck. I see a truck.
Look. Here, come here. Grammy will sit with you. Look. What else do you have? Oh, applesauce. Squeezy applesauce. Yep, and what's this? Oh.
Beep, beep. The truck.
And what else? What's this?
Oh, yeah. Oh, now you have two. Yay, for Hayden. You can give me one?
Oh,
Thank you.
that's nice.
Thank you, Hayden.
Oh,
Wow.
Hayden, look. Hayden, what's this?
Markers.
He's got his first crayons. What is that? And what's this? Here, go take this to Papa. Oh.
Puffs. Yummy.
Oh.
Who likes puffs? Where is the ball? He likes that big red ball. Ball? Where is it? Whoop.
Where'd it go? There it is. Yay! There it is. Oh my goodness.
Ball, ball, ball. Bumblebee. Yay!
You got lots of stuff. Oh, thank you for the hug. Thank you for the hug. I love you. Mwah. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Bye. Smell pretty.
Beep, beep.
Uh-huh.
Beep, beep.
Yeah.